I'm Ravi Chandra, Group Architect at 407 ETR. The world often simplifies just how complicated a toll highway can be. It's much more than a piece of infrastructure. In order to get from just a tollway to a smart highway, there's an enormous amount of very complicated business processes that go into that. Moreover, if you're offering a net new product, like a mobile app to your customer, you have to elevate the user experience to a whole other level. So what we have is a combination of sophisticated back-end processes and incredibly user-friendly front-end applications that combine to make a customer experience as memorable as possible. In order to accomplish all of the sophisticated back-end processing, we needed a set of tools and platforms that allowed us to transparently and effectively create a set of business rules that would allow us to understand and abide by all the legislation that we needed to. That's where Corticom business rules came in. It allowed us to update and modernize all of our legacy business processes to use a set of very understandable and efficient rules. Once we started moving towards the next level and getting a mobile app out into the hands of customers, we needed a platform that was incredibly scalable, highly available, but more importantly, provided critical features out of the box. For us, the clear leader in the space was Progress's Kinvey. It allowed us to focus on building innovative and new features for the customer without having to worry about all of the glue that handled everything in the back. From a developer's point of view, the value add of Kinvey was incredible. It went from being potentially months of development work down to 2 lines of code to authenticate and authorize our users. All of the data that's being processed is being pushed through Kinvey, and it's being stored in our back-end systems. And we have a team of data scientists that are running algorithms on it to automatically figure out what your preferred route is on any given day of the week. And so the idea would be that you wake up, you check your phone, and depending on what you would normally do that day, a preferred route is given to you. And so that is happening via all of the data that's being pushed through Kinvey and the algorithms that are running on the back-end systems. And so as you decide to change your routine, there's certain routes that might be more amenable to your current situation. So maybe on work days, 407 would make the most sense. But perhaps going to soccer practice, there's a more direct route that doesn't necessarily need to use 407. Both options would be laid open to you. All of this results in a customer experience that's incredibly seamless and effectively allows the customer to use our service without having to think twice about any of the back-end details.